make things with snake cube and how to actually solve it. So let's get started. We can make many things from the snake cube. This video is going to be super thrilling because I'm gonna make so many shapes and things from this little thing.
Oh wow!
You will be amazed that how many shapes and things I can make with this thing. When I first grabbed this, I was surprised at how multi-purpose it is.
Oh yes.
First, I'm gonna make a grenade. Then I'm gonna make a duck. And then a swan. And then a commode or a toilet. Or even you can call it flesh. And then I'm gonna make 4 types of guns. And 4 types of mobile stands. And knuckles. And stapler and original knuckles. And then I'm gonna show you how to make a ball out of this snake cube. I can't give all tutorials in one video because the video will be super long. So I will teach you the tutorials step by step, or do comment me. If you want anything to learn, do comment me. I will make the video of it. But the purpose of this video is to show you that how useful this puzzle is. Seriously, it's a brain teaser. I love these kind of puzzles or educational toys. You should also grab them and make different things.
Oh yes.
So do share this video on your Insta stories and WhatsApp status. So I'm gonna give you an overview about how many things we can make with this. And then you can imagine how many things we can make with other more complex cubes. First I'll do the grenade. And here's the grenade. Now I'm going to make the swan, which can transform into a duck. Okay, I'm going to make a swan. Okay, a swan. Look how beautiful it is. A little swan. It can turn into a duck. Quack, quack. Okay, now I'm gonna get a gun. Okay, I'm gonna tell you how to make a gun. These are cheap in Pakistan and you can get almost from anywhere, any toy store. They cost me $100, 100 rupees. Okay, now we're gonna make gun, a pistol. So let's see. Pistol, chun chun, and it can turn into this. I'm gonna make a rifle, then an elephant. Just wait and see how skinny I'll make the elephant. Okay, the rifle, a rifle, hopetoskills. Okay, I'm gonna give you a lesson that don't throw them on the ground very hard, and don't do as like this and doing it very soft-handed. I have seen many people do this and break their snake cube. So that's why I don't recommend doing this. You can just unfold them like this. Okay. Now we're gonna make an elephant. If you want to learn any of these things, do give me comments. I'll give you a separate video and make tutorials so that you can learn them too. And by the way, I learned this from YouTube and I literally just guessed it's an elephant. But you can't because it looks like a raccoon and it is very skinny. Okay, now which animal do I make? No, not an animal. I'm gonna make a minigun. You can do this or this. Now I'm gonna go to knuckles. Let's make knuckles or stapler. It can be used for both. I'm gonna do this, okay? 4 pieces, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, and 4. Okay, wait, I'm having trouble with this. And done. Knuckles. And their actual knuckles, I'll make them. Or a stapler. Wood stapler, skin stapler, wood stapler, plastic stapler. Now I'm gonna make the actual knuckles. Oh, yep, it's this. And the knuckles are made. If your fingers are this big, okay, this short on you. But if you want to make knuckles, I'd rather get a small one so it fits on your 3 fingers nicely. But this thing fits on my 4 fingers. It's a big knuckle. And now I'm gonna make a mobile stand so you can watch mobiles. Okay, so I'm gonna make a mobile stand, right? Yep. And take a mobile and sit it. This is the mobile stand and sit it on here. Bing, bing, bing. You can just watch anything. You can even do this. But there's a separate mobile stand for doing like this. Let me make that too. Okay, that mobile stand is a bit easy. Or even like this. So you can adjust to make it like this, to stand it straight, or make these even longer to make it a bit tilt, or even longer to make it very tilty, like this.
Oh, wow!
Okay, it is a great thing. This is a 24-piece snake cube. Imagine what can happen with the 36, 78, 64, 108. You can literally make 3D objects with detailed things. The goal to solving it is moving the pieces to make a ball. That's how we solve it. So today I'm going to tell you how to make a ball. First, grab it like this. Then, when I do this, it's meaning away from you. When I do this, it means away from you. When I do this, it means towards me. Okay? For your eyes, I'm going to shift the camera here so that you can see what I'm doing. So, this is away from you and this is towards you. Okay? Away, towards. Away, towards. Okay. Now let's get into the real solution. First, you take this small triangle, we're going to call this a triangle, and move this away from you. Okay. Then take this triangle, the second triangle, and move this away from you again. Let me repeat. Count the first triangle and move this away from you. Then take the pink one and move this away. Second triangle, mine is pink, so I am saying pink. Take the second triangle and move this away from you. Okay. Now we're gonna change the rotation. It is like this, right? This is straight and these all are viewing, and this. We're gonna rotate it this, like this. This was like this, but now we're gonna do this, so that this comes in front, and this was in front, but now this is in front. We take like these are the side of the white pieces, and we flip it to make these white pieces in front of us, or any color type pieces. Then we rotate a bit up, and we take this edge, this corner, this triangle, and then move it like this. Again, you have it like this. Do this. Take this triangle and move it like this. We just, the simple way, we just have to make this here too. We just have to rotate this. Then these two are the same. We made this on here. Now, we're gonna change the rotation again, like this. So we're viewing the side. Again, it's like this, but now this is viewing its side. Now, what would we do? We'll count two pieces, 1 and 2, and rotate the second one towards us. Meaning, do this. Then again you can change the rotation like this, but I don't recommend changing the rotation. Now, for your ace, I'm going to change the rotation, but when we're speed solving it, we don't change rotations. Now, rotate it like this. We are viewing these white, any color type tiles, right? We're going to go and this side, so that this is viewing in front of you. Okay, then count 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. Then rotate the third piece away from you. Then we're going to take this piece and rotate it once like this. Rotate it once like this. Now we have the first corner of the circle, or we should say ball. It's very easy now. We just have to do this again and again. Now take this bar and do this, like it's in front of you, like this. Move this so that it was here, so it goes straight, and these tiles view in front of you. Okay, now we're gonna change the rotation so that we view this side, this and then this. Okay, now we're gonna count 2 pieces, 1, 2, and rotate the second one once. Okay, now we're gonna change the rotation again and do this, so that instead of this, it's this. Okay, now we're gonna count the third piece, 1, 2, 3, and rotate it in front of us like this. Then we're gonna rotate it back, and then we're gonna rotate it back and rotate this like this. So this piece connects with this one like this. Now we have made one side of the ball. We need 2 more sides. Now do the same for every step. We do this to make the same shape as these. This is one of this. Then we change the rotation, and then we take the second piece and rotate it like this. Then we go to our back to our place, which we did this. Now it's this. Okay, Then count the third piece and bend it once. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Third piece and bend it once towards you. It's like this again. Now we're just gonna move this piece like this. Again, now it's the same strategy for all. Do this. Okay? Now take this. Now change the rotation. Take this piece. Do this. Rotate it towards you. Then again change the rotation. And then take the third piece. 1, 2, 3. And rotate it away from you. Then just connect this and this. So this is connected. Okay. Now the part gets tricky. We want to fill this hole. So it's going to get some trickiness. Now, we're going to do, just remember these moves. We're going to take this from the side, okay, and do this, okay. We're going to take this from the side and rotate this in front of us. Then, it's like this and rotate it like this. Then we're gonna take the second one, 1, 2, the second one, and rotate it away from you. Away. Now we're gonna rotate this like this 2 times to make this and this match. So let's do it. 1 and 2. Done. Now we're gonna take the same rotation and rotate it 30 degrees. Now we're gonna take this third piece, 1, 2, like 1, 2 and 3. Okay, we're gonna rotate it, the third piece, once like this. Okay, now we're gonna connect this piece and this piece like this, and then we're gonna just rotate this piece to match it with here, and your ball is done. Now when you have learned this, you can just make it easily. Now I'm gonna time solve and see how fast I can solve. So let's get started. First I'm gonna make it a snake. Okay, let's see how fast I can solve. 3, 2, 1. Done. Now to pack it, I'm gonna make it into a rectangle. And done. It is very easy to port when it's in its rectangle shape. And yep, I can make more things. I will show you one last thing and then I'll end the video. One last thing for all. A taser gun. And then, I hope you like this video, and then like it, share it, and hit a thumbs up. And subscribe if you're new to my channel. So, have a bright future and stay bright with Shazain Bright Beginnings. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.